Okay, let me think. What should I say? Like and subscribe?
Yeah.
What about the comment part? Hello guys, back again with Forkit Kitchen. Today we are going to make one of the hardest things to find in Indo, and that is buttermilk. I've been to the store, you probably have too, looking for buttermilk, can't find any. And right here we're just gonna help you out. We have a very easy, simple recipe you can use to substitute as a substitute for buttermilk. So buttermilk is very good for a lot of dishes. Good for pastries, cakes, pancakes, and even savory stuff like fried chicken. Yeah, there's a lot of use for buttermilk. And buttermilk helps when you're making pancakes. It makes your pancakes a bit more tender, and it gives a little bit of that tang, that sour from the buttermilk. So okay, without further ado, we are gonna make buttermilk. So the ingredients are very simple. We just need milk, lemon juice, or if you don't have lemon juice, vinegar can do just as fine. And the ratio is basically 1 cup of milk. For every 1 cup of milk, you use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Right here we have 2 cups. We're gonna make 2 batches. So 2 cups of milk, and we got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And again, you can use vinegar. So it's really easy, just mix the both. Just add the lemon juice to the milk. Once you add that, just mix it all up. Give it a good stir. Once it's all combined, all you do is leave it. That simple. And you're supposed to leave it for around 20 minutes. 20 minutes, just leave it at room temperature, it's fine. Or pop in the fridge is also fine. And yeah, we'll just have to wait for 20 minutes. It's gonna change in consistency. It's gonna bubble up on the surface, and that's when you know it's ready. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes.
Whenever you're ready.
You gotta record. Okay guys, so it's been 20 excruciating minutes for our buttermilk. So yeah, here we go. We got a thicker consistency for our milk. And would you like to see how it looks like? It's a bit thicker than regular milk. You see? So now that it's all done, you can keep this buttermilk for 3 days in the fridge, cover it up, easy. Use it whenever you need to, or you can just use it right away like this, totally fine. Once again, good for pancakes, good for chicken, or a yogurt substitute. Let's say you want to make a shake or salad dressing, you can use that too. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below and tell us what you used your buttermilk for. Thanks again guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.